Safe Road for Internet of Things (IoT) related to vehicles. In 2009, Safe Road started working on fleet administration technology. Depending on advanced techniques and innovating smart solutions, in addition to building successful partnerships, Safe Road aims continuously for business growth in the light of high-quality standards. Why Safe Road? According to published statistics, Saudi Arabia is the second Arab country in traffic accidents, which makes it the 23rd internationally, where the total accidents in Saudi Arabia are 8,000 per year, which leads to the death of 27 out of every 100,000 civilians. In 2011, 360,000 accidents were recorded, and in 2015, the number was multiplied 3 times to reach 962,000 accidents. On the other hand, both years 2012 and 2015 statistics indicated that clients who had the tracking devices installed in their cars had the number of accidents tremendously decreased, while there is an increasing accidents ratio in the cases of the lack of depending on tracking services. Safe Road produces smart tracking devices. The latest device is Astrolab 500, which is an easy installation device. In 2009, the company started introducing simple devices for tracking vehicles, while in 2010, the devices were developed to collect more data for providing more accurate information. In 2013, the first device of its kind was created especially for Aramco to study the driving style and send notifications in case of reckless driving. In 2014, the trademark was officially released. In the period between 2015 and 2016, Safe Road started investing in the field of big data and working on extracting useful information out of it, in addition to releasing a tool that measures driving style. While in 2017, the OBD, which is a device that directly reads vehicles' information, was released, which shaped a quantum leap in the service. In 2018 and 2019, Safe Road intends to invest in artificial intelligence, because in 2019, the number of cars in MENA will reach 70 million cars. And in the period between 2020 and 2021, Safe Road will expand in Things Technologies. In 2020, there will be a platform for smart driverless cars. Now, the devices are fully manufactured in Safe Road's factories, keeping in mind the market needs. At the present time, we are covering more than 200 companies from the business and industrial companies. Furthermore, our team works professionally in several sections: research and development, manufacturing, sales, project implementation and administration, customer service, and finally after-sales services. And now, we will introduce a collection of awards that were granted to Safe Road. The world's 100 most influential Arab companies in the Fourth Industrial Revolution, awarded by the World Economic Forum and International Monetary Fund. An award by International Business Award. Also, classified as one of the fastest growing services companies in MENA. Along with many more awards starting from 2015 as one of the best 50 growing companies and the 4th place in Forbes 2015 on the level of 100 companies of entrepreneurship companies. In 2016, Safe Road was awarded the best growing company by the Arab Investment Forum. And finally, in 2017, Safe Road was awarded the Best Technology Use Award in the Traffic Safety by the International Quality and Production Organization in Dubai. In this list, you can find our partners starting from Aramco, passing through a group of organizations like Traffic Safety and partners like Michelin. Safe Road, the pioneers of traffic safety technologies.